going to show you guys how to make body wash slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification spot for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make body wash slime. So I've never really ever showed you guys how to make an actual body wash slime. It's usually just been like a shampoo slime or a hand soap slime. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make really cool body wash slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is body wash, and I got this super cute one from Target the other day, and it's Elsa. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Also, I'm sorry if you hear any noises, like my dog drinking her water or like noises, because I'm outside filming this today because it's really nice out and I wanted to film outside. Okay guys, so the first thing you guys need to do is take out your bowler plate and you're going to get out your body wash. And this one smells amazing. It smells kind of like berries and like, I don't even know how to explain it. It just smells so good. So I'm going to get putting it into my bowl, and look at that super pretty blue color. Okay, that's enough mixing. Wow, I'm putting it into the bowl. And the more soap you add is how much slime you will make, and look how pretty that looks. Okay, and now all I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing it up. And you can already tell this body wash is really thick just from mixing it. Okay, that's enough mixing, and now what you're going to do is you're going to actually put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes you're going to take it out and mix it up, and then you can tell if it's getting thicker or not. And if it's still thin, on the thinner side, all you have to do is mix it up for a little bit more time, and then yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so yesterday I hit 700,000 subscribers, which is amazing, and I want to give a huge thank you to everybody who subscribed to me, who's been here since the start, since November 2016 when I made my first video. And I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody. It's incredible that I've gotten here, and it's only been like 2.5 years, which is crazy to think about. So much love to everybody who has subscribed to me and been here since the start. But since I hit 700,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. I might either be giving away an iPad mini or AirPods, so stay tuned this week when I announce the giveaway, and I basically like put all the rules and stuff for you to follow to enter it. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing to me, being here since the start, and just supporting me. I love you guys so much. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and here it is, and I'm really excited to see how it turned out. I don't know if it actually turned out how it usually turns out, like when I tested all these recipes, because if you didn't know, I test all my recipes before I make them. But let's see how this turned out. And it looks like slime formed in it, which is really awesome. So definitely slime formed, and it's actually pretty stretchy. And this smells so good. I can't even get over the smell. It smells like berries and like strawberries. Like, it just smells so good. But it did form slime, as you can see. And it's still sticky, of course, because it's soap. But I'm gonna try playing with it for a little bit. I'm so sorry about the noises. I'm outside and like everything's really loud out here. But I'm gonna get mixing this up for a little bit, and I'll show you guys the final slime. So here is the slime, and I've been mixing it for maybe like 5 minutes. I just kept on mixing it, and it turned into a really awesome slime. I hope you guys try out this recipe today. I actually got 2 bowls because some of the actual soap was thinner on that side, so I put it into another bowl to mix it up and stuff. But this recipe was a huge win-win for me. I really hope you guys try it out. And if you want to try out the same soap I used, it's just this soap. I got it from Target, and it has Elsa on it, and it's super cute and smells amazing. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Also remember to keep tuned with my channel this week, because I will be posting on my community page about when the giveaway will be going up and what the giveaway is. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you again for helping me hit 700,000 subscribers. That is incredible. But yeah, bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye.